Welcome to London House, where the student experience in Stoke-on-Trent becomes extraordinary. Step into convenient en-suites and stylish studios designed for comfort and productivity. Each room is a personal haven featuring a luxurious bed, high-speed Wi-Fi, and a dedicated desk and chair, all wrapped in a chic, modern aesthetic that inspires creativity. Enjoy amenities like a cooker, fridge, and washing machine for a seamless self-catered lifestyle. Rent includes everything needed for hassle-free living: high-speed Wi-Fi, water, electricity, and heating. Experience the comfort of central heating and the convenience of self-catered facilities, allowing flexibility in meal prep and dining. Location is everything at London House. Just a stone's throw away from leading institutions such as Staffordshire University and Keele University, early morning commutes will be a breeze. Explore local eateries like Osler Restaurant and lively pubs such as the Tavern that capture the heart of Stoke-on-Trent. Grab essentials from Sainsbury's, all while having easy access to transport links for exciting adventures. Ready to transform student life? Visit amberstudent.com and secure a spot at London House today.